matched by any other. Literally sleeping at the office.
Mi amor, el mecánico dice que el auto necesita llantas nuevas, cambiarle la transmisión y además hay que comprar una nueva lavadora que funcione como debe ser, porque esta ya está viejita y seguramente...
On the price of 5, a brand new trivia question. Well, coming up, the man who is...
This summer, I will be in a car accident. Me and my friend Seth will just be cruising, so I won't bother to buckle up. The autopsy report will list the cause of death as subdural cerebral hematoma caused by head colliding with windshield. But it will all happen so fast, I won't even know what hit me.
No one plans to be in a car crash. That's why everyone should wear a seatbelt. A message from the Executive Office of Public Safety and Security, who remind you to click it or ticket. That is if you have seatbelts in your car, considering you still have a cassette player. What is it, 1980? Loser. Why don't you join the 21st century already?